Hey, what guys? Kevin here, aka Juice Spots, and in today's video, um,
2,000 years later.
I literally forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, I think I got it now. Um, I'm gonna go outside. It's raining, and I'm gonna put a cup outside, and I'm gonna see if I don't know. I'm gonna catch some water, and I'm gonna see if like it's like if there's like a taste difference between outside water, like rainwater, and like purified water. I'm probably stupid. Maybe there's probably obviously it's probably different because one's purified, one's not. It was hella rain, guys. Ugh, leave there. Okay, so while we wait, um, yeah, I just googled if it's safe to drink uh rainwater, and yeah, it turns out it's not safe. It says avoid it, avoid drinking it, avoid using it for your teeth. Um, I think I also saw that it used to be possible, but not anymore because I don't know. There's like a lot of hazardous chemicals in the water now. Um, so no, I'm second you know, but yeah, I think it'll be okay if I just like take one sip or something. Taste some chemically water from the sky. Meow. It looks like it catched some guys. It literally catched like look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Like, yeah, like one drop, but it looks disgusting. It's like I don't know. It looks like I don't know. It just looks disgusting. Okay, I'll do this, guy. I'll do this for you guys. Okay. Mm. Uh, knowing that it was like it had something white in there, and it turned it like white. That's weird. One drop. That's crazy. Yeah. It tastes pretty much the same. But I'll stick with normal water. Mm. And that's it, guys. Definitely don't drink water from outside. You know what like it has. And mine, you saw that mine was like literally like white, like it was like coconut water. That's about it. This was Kevin, aka G Spots, and um, let me think. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Peace. But why you viendo pela aga? Baga no snack. Okay, guys. So I told my mom I was going to the gas station. I'm not actually going to the gas station. I'm not even gonna move my car. Instead, guys, I'm a pranker, and I'm gonna wait out here for like maybe like 20 minutes, and I'm gonna go in there, and I'm gonna tell her I crashed, and the car doesn't start. That's what I got so far. But let's see if she believes me, and hopefully she doesn't see the camera. Cause I'm gonna have to like, yeah, you guys know how hit this camera somewhere. Anyways, let me wait 20 minutes and I'll go back inside and we'll see how the prank goes. Hey guys, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna have this so I can like, you know, you can hear just in case you can't hear. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do it right now. I'm really scared, so wish me luck, guys. Ma, ¿no estás hablando conmigo? Sí, chequé. ¿Y no prende el carro? Traté de prenderlo, pero me vine caminando y se prendió poquito, pero me metí como allá, porque me pegué con una cosa. ¿Cómo se llaman esas cosas? No, como un poste así blanco. Y no sé, es que un carro se estaba sacando mucho y luego no es, me dice así, porque yo ya iba a chocar con ese carro, entonces me decía así, y luego ya.
¿No prende? ¿No
Pero
prende?
prendió poquito para meterlo y luego me parqué y ya no prende.
¿Y ahora?
No sé.
¿Y si lo pushamos?
Ya me.
¿Para que lo acomodes?
¿Vienes conmigo?
Dile a también.
Ok.
Porque lo dejamos a la fuerza.
Ya, a ver si un policía no lo ve.
Por eso, ¿no?
Pero ni era como tan mal el choque como solo prende el carro. No, así no.
¿No?
Un poquito, así como se rompió un pedacito.
Sí.
Pero no prende, no sé por qué. Hey, come. I told mom I crashed the car and you gotta help me push it. No, it's a life. Just wait. Yeah, I crashed. And, I hit the pole because the car was coming. I couldn't.
Dumbass. You crashed?
We need help to push it.
Mamá, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
We gotta go walking.
¿Can I go walking?
Yeah.
¿Por dónde está? ¿Por dónde está?
Me metí en unas casas como no sé qué son apartments o casas, no sé qué son. Ya tengo miedo. Dang, not even. You're gonna be okay, son.
Yeah, cool. Was it like in the middle or in the side?
We gotta push it.
Yeah. Is it here?
Yeah. I had to walk all the way out from there. It's like close to the gas station. Yeah, pero no prende. No sé por qué, si es solo como un chiquito golpe.
¿Enfrente se lo diste?
Ya,
¿No se prendió?
en la esquina. No, no es así como tan, como así como el tuyo. Pero se rompió un pedazo así.
¿Se nota mucho?
Ya un poco.
Eso empieza a explotar. ¿No se aflojarían los cables de la pila?
Maybe. Ya está bien lejos.
¿Hasta dónde está?
¡Ah!
Ay, qué ventaja, ¿cómo te levantas? Te sales.
Sorry.
Ajá, sorry.
¿No viste esto?
No, no vi.
O sea, ¿sí me creíste?
De verdad me das 5 horas.
¿Sí me creíste?
Sí.
Damn, sorry.
Déjame dormir.
¿No viste esto?
No, no vi.
O sea, ¿sí me creíste?
De verdad me das 5 horas.
¿Sí me creíste?
Sí.
Damn, sorry. She's probably still mad. Yeah, guys, my heart was pumping all the way. Damn. I think it turned out good. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And yeah, she really fell for it. So yeah, guys, this was Kevin, aka Juice Spots, and have a good 4th of July, okay, guys? Peace. Emma, pero no, de verdad, sí, sí choqué.
No tengo huevo.